Gonna pour that right over ice. And you know what I just made? A happy drink. Hey, how y'all doing? It's Brady the Gotti, as you know. Hey, anyway, how many of you people out there run out of energy midday? Probably by 10 in the morning. You get up in the morning, you drink your coffee, you rush off to work. By 10 o'clock, you're kind of, the coffee woke you up a little, but doesn't doesn't sustain you throughout the day. So you reach for a candy bar. You reach for that sugar high, that rush to get you going. Or maybe you stopped on the way in and you grabbed yourself one of those cans of Monster drinks, an energy drink. It doesn't have to be Monster, but any of the energy drinks out there. What do those cost you? Like $2, $3, $4 each? And you down that, you get that sugar rush, I guess, to wake up. Well, I never liked energy drinks. I just find them distasteful to me. But I'm like everybody else. I would run out of energy around 10 o'clock, have to get a little nibble of something, some sugar, get that boost, make it through till lunch, eat your lunch. By 3 o'clock, you're out of energy again. Well, I found something that takes the place of all of that. It gives you energy. It suppresses your hunger, especially for comfort foods. But with the boost of energy, you don't need sugar. So I got hold of this product that has no sugar in it. It's keto friendly. It alleviates hunger, basically, or suppresses it somewhat. So anyway, it's about noontime here, and I've had a stressful morning, kind of running out of energy. So I wanted to show you what I do that is so much less expensive than energy drinks. And it gives you energy all day long. And when you want a little boost for your happiness, you just mix up a cup. So anyway, let me show you what I got going over here. Today I'm using some lemonade. Comes in a little bucket right here. I'll just read off the back if I can even see it. Supplemental facts: total fat 0, saturated fats 0, cholesterol 0, sodium 0, total carbohydrates actually -1, sugar 0. I mean, what's in this to hurt you? What this has in it, though, is happy hormones. Do you know what a happy hormone is? Like your endorphins. You eat a hot pepper and you get that little that something happens to you. Well, anyway, besides endorphins, happy hormones include dopamine, oxytocin, serotonin, and endorphins. All 4 of these are your happy hormones secreted through the adrenal gland, goes to your brain, goes to your stomach, goes to your heart, goes everywhere. Anyway, you need these to have energy, feel good, and be happy. So anyway, let me show you what I got going here. When you get this, it gives you a little scooper, and all you have to do is measure out a scoop. And I'm using the new Zest lemonade. I'm going to put some right here in my cup. And I like my lemonade just a little bit flavored, so today I'm going to add a little bit of non-sweetened, I don't want to say Kool-Aid. This is just a fruit drink, fruit punch. I put that in there, and add a little bit of water, about 8 ounces or so. I'm going to mix this all up. Release all the endorphins, the dopamine, the oxytocin, the serotonin. Put it all in here. I mix it up. And I've got me a cup of ice right here too. I'm just going to pour that right over ice. And you know what I just made? A happy drink.